Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are fit and fine, students. Yes, beta. Today we will discuss remaining worksheets of chapter number 5 from our practice book. The name of this chapter is students transitive and intransitive verbs. And students, I hope that all of you have completed worksheet 1 to 4. So students, now let's begin with the worksheet number 5. So students, let's start. Given below is an advertisement of a newly launched cream. Read it and write all the transitive verbs in the table given below with their objects. Also, while reading, and circle the intransitive verbs. So, students, let's read. Presenting world's first Ayurvedic beauty cream. Fair cream enriched with natural herbs. It nourishes your skin and leaves it supple and soft. It reduces minor wrinkles and moisturizes the skin naturally. It prevents darkening of the skin and maintains its natural radiance. Its vitamin E works on your skin and removes dead cells to give you a refreshing look. So, what are you waiting for? Go to your nearest medical store and buy your tube now. Fair cream is available in packs of 50 gram, 100 gram and 250 gram. First 50 customers will get a discount of 10%. Yes, beta, this table is given to you below this advertisement. Now, beta, in the first table, you have to write down action. Okay? Means transitive verb. And students, do you know what is a transitive verb? Yes, students, verbs which carry the action of a subject to an object. Okay? Verbs which carry the action of a subject to an object are called transitive verb. And students, transitive verb always answer the question what or whom if the object is a living being. So students, find out from here, from this paragraph, action, or we can say transitive verb, and then students find out the receiver of the action. For example, students, first one, it nourishes your skin. Nourishes, its action. Receiver, skin. Okay. It reduces minor wrinkles. Reduces, action, and receiver, minor wrinkles. Moisturizes what? The skin. Okay, students? Like this, students, try to complete this worksheet. Okay, students? Let's read it once again. It nourishes your skin. Nourishes, action. Skin, receiver. It reduces minor wrinkles. Reduces what, students? Minor wrinkles. Then students, moisturizes the skin. Moisturizes what, student? Skin. Okay. It prevents darkening of the skin. Prevents what, student? Darkening. Okay. Prevents what? Darkening. Okay. Maintains its natural radiance. Maintains what, students? Natural radiance. So students, like this, try to complete this worksheet. Okay, student? So students, now let's move on to the worksheet number 6. Read the following advertisement and complete the table given below by filling the transitive verbs and their objects in appropriate columns. Also encircle the intransitive verbs. Now students, let's read this advertisement. Tired of cavities and bed breath? Try our new toothpaste, Sparkle. It cleans teeth without harming gums. It works non-stop for 24 hours and fights bed breath. It contains calcium and other essential minerals for better protection. Its regular usage makes teeth stronger. Its strawberry taste fills your mouth with a never-ending freshness. Treat your taste buds with your favorite chocolate and leave the protection of your teeth to sparkle. Now students, one table is given to you here. Now students, in that table you have to write down the transitive verb means action, and in second column students you have to write down the object means receiver of the action. And students, I know that you know very well that what is a transitive verb. Yes students, verb which carry the action of a subject to an object are called transitive verbs. And students, always remember that transitive verbs always answer the question what or whom if the subject is a living being. Okay students, for example students, first one we can write down, it cleans teeth. Cleans what student? Cleans is an action. It's an action beta. Cleans. Cleans what? Teeth. So students, in this column like this students, you have to write down cleans teeth, fights bad breath, makes teeth stronger, contains what? Calcium. Okay, like this students, try to find out remaining transitive verbs and their object, and students write down in the table given below. Now students, let's move on to the worksheet number 7. Read the following sentences. The driver stopped the car. And second one students, the car stopped suddenly. Now students, in the first sentence, the driver stopped the car. Here students, the verb stopped has been used transitively. For example students, stopped what? The car. Okay, so car is the receiver of the action. However students, the same verb stopped has been used intransitively. In the second sentence, here the action stop does not pass on to any object. Okay students, means students, most verbs can be used both transitively and intransitively. Read the following sentences and write whether the verb has been used transitively or intransitively. Write T for transitive and I for intransitive verbs. So students, let's begin with the first one. He returned to his home. Intransitive, I returned his pen yesterday. I returned what student? His pen. So it's transitive. We are getting the answer of what here. She broke a glass. Broke what students? A glass. So it's transitive. The old glass broke into pieces. It's intransitive. Now students, let's move on to the third one. He speaks slowly. Intransitive, I always speak the truth. Transitive, the doorbell rang loudly. Intransitive, will you please ring the bell? Transitive, the door opened. Intransitive, he opened the door. Opened what student? The door. Transitive, he left early in the morning. Intransitive, he left his bag at home. Left what student? His bag. It's transitive. So students, like this, try to complete this worksheet. Okay students, I hope students that all of you have understood what we have done. So students, try all the worksheets yourself. Okay beta, thanks and have a nice day. Bye bye.